Here are 5 things you need to do before you upload your very first YouTube video. Hi guys, this is Elevate to Bianca. On this channel, we'll be talking about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to edit your YouTube video using InShot and CapCut, how to create eye-catching thumbnails, how to get subscribers, and also how to complete your 4,000 watch hour in order to get monetized. Now, the first thing you need to do before you upload your very first YouTube video is to identify your niche. What do you want us to know about you? What do you want to be posting on YouTube? What do you want the world to know about you? That is your niche. If you're someone that like cooking and you like recording videos and you want to create a channel for that, then you are in the food niche. You get that is your niche. Now, the second thing you need to know before posting your first YouTube video is to make sure that after identifying your niche, you look for YouTubers, successful YouTubers on that niche. Go to their channel, subscribe to their channel, watch their video, especially their popular video. Go to their popular videos, watch their video, carry your book and pen, jot down those things you see while watching those videos. Why is this video trending? Why is this video popular? Pick out these things from their video. I'm not saying you should copy their video from head to toe. I'm saying watch their video, jot down things that make sense to you. You get. Now, by the time you subscribe to like 5 to 10 YouTubers on your niche, by the time you subscribe to like 5 to 10 and you watch all their popular video within the space of 2 months, 3 months, you should be able to know what you are coming to YouTube to do. That is one of the easiest way to grow on YouTube. To go to already successful YouTubers, search for their popular video, look at how they did the video, in fact recreate that video. That is one of the way you are going to grow quickly on YouTube. Now, the third thing you need to do before you upload your very first YouTube video is to learn how to edit your YouTube videos. You need to learn how to edit your YouTube video using either CapCut or InShot. These two apps are free, so you don't need money to access them. You can use the free version to edit your video, just as adding lightning to the video, splitting, trimming, and doing some little things on the video. You can actually learn how to edit your video on YouTube here. Just search how to edit on YouTube. YouTube is going to bring so many YouTubers that have taught people how to edit their video. That is how to just um get to learn how to use or how to edit your YouTube video. That's the third thing, right? Now, the fourth thing you need to do before you upload your very first YouTube video is to know how to create thumbnail, work on thumbnail. You can also learn that here on YouTube. You can use Canva to create your thumbnail. Canva is also free to create thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching. Make sure your thumbnail is beautiful. Make sure your title has an hook for us that like watching videos. You get. I think your thumbnail is very important. If I was asked between the video and the thumbnail, which should be like very beautiful, I'll pick the thumbnail. I don't really have a problem with how your video quality. I don't really have a problem with how clear or how much you know how to edit your video. Because how am I supposed to know if your thumbnail is not attractive? I click on video based on how attractive your thumbnail is. Let's say for instance, I am feeling bored, I'm very bored, and I want to read a storybook. I don't have a title in mind. I just walk into a bookshop and just tell the person that I need a storybook, I'm bored, I need something to read, and the person will show me the counter. Go and look for the one you want. I'm going to pick a storybook based on the cover, even without knowing what is inside the story, if the story will be interesting or not. I'm going to pick a storybook based on the cover page. I'm going to check as how beautiful this cover page is. Then also the title. So your thumbnail is carrying your title and how creative your work should be. That is how your thumbnail. So you need to know how to work on your thumbnail, make it look beautiful, make it look catchy, make the title of your videos very, very catchy. Now the last thing, which is not like something you need to do, it is like it is more like an advice to new YouTubers like myself. Now there is no perfect time to start a YouTube channel. There is absolutely no perfect time to start a YouTube channel. I know you are waiting for you to make a perfect video. Your first video can never be 100% perfect. Your first video is going to suck after all. Your first video is not going to be as you want it to be. But one thing I want you to know is that you should just post that first video the way it is. As long as you've edited it the way you can, you created a thumbnail the way you can, and the audio quality is perfect, then I think you should post that YouTube video. As long as you shared insightful things on your video, as long as your video is interesting, forget the background, the video quality. We don't really care about your video quality here on YouTube. We only care about your thumbnail, the knowledge you are dishing out, and also your audio quality. Invest in your audio quality, and if you can, if you don't have money to get a mic for your audio quality, you just need a very quiet place to make your video. That's all you need before you post your very first YouTube video. That's basically the 5 things you need to know before you upload your very first YouTube video. And make sure that you are not procrastinating. Make sure you're not waiting for your video to be perfect before you start posting it on YouTube, because we are waiting for you. We are waiting to watch your video. So if you enjoyed this video and you watch the video till this very moment, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I am also a new YouTuber.